Before buying a replacement switch, make sure you know exactly where you're going to install it. Most dimmer switches have a fairly square shape, so double-check that your new switch will fit perfectly into the existing wall opening. Dimmer switches come in many types, like rotary knob or touch-sensitive, and they're available in a wide range of styles and colors. And remember, always turn off the power before doing any electrical work. First, remove the old switch. Carefully pry off the faceplate, being mindful not to hurt yourself. Then, unscrew the mounting screws and disconnect the wires. Take out your smart dimmer switch. First, carefully remove the front panel and set it aside. Now, start wiring. Connect the neutral wire to the terminal marked N, the live wire to the terminal marked L, and the light fixture wire to the terminal labeled L1. Once all the wires are connected, neatly tuck them into the electrical box. Secure the switch in place with the mounting screws, one on the left and one on the right. Finally, snap the front panel back on. And that's it! You've successfully installed your smart dimmer switch. Next, connect it to the app. Press and hold the switch button and make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This is required for setup. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and wait for the connection to complete. Once connected, you'll be able to control the switch right from your phone. Slide the horizontal bar to adjust the brightness of your light, up to make it brighter, down to dim it. And you'll also have access to handy features like scheduling and timers. A dimmer switch not only helps create the perfect ambiance, but also saves energy.